What's up, everyone? So today I'm in my backyard doing a project that is completely different than my normal setup, and I built my tortoise a hutch. That's the new one. The old one looked even worse. I built it mostly from scrap wood that I had laying around at my work and my home. Had a buddy help me cut it all up on the bandsaw we got at work, and didn't video any of that, but you know, it's wood cutting on a bandsaw. It's exciting. Super exciting. Anyways, check out the build, because that's what I was up to today. That was a fun build, and he really appreciates it because, like I said, it's getting colder and a little bit bigger hutch, but more concentrated heat over him, so he has a little basking bulb now. And full insulation, so it should stay nice and warm in there. What do you say, Miles? 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 Are you enjoying your new home? Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Hit that thumbs up if you did. If you didn't, whatever. You know, tell me about it in the comments, how terrible it is. But, you know, if you did, hit the thumbs up. It helps. I like it. YouTube needs to know that I have a tortoise. Everyone needs to know I have a tortoise. I have a tortoise. And he's awesome. He's a dinosaur. Miles? Miles? Okay. Okay. Bye.